Ah! Would you look at the time? It's National Frankie Appreciation Time. Alright, Frankie, this is your time to shine. Do something memorable for Umbliana and our 9 subscribers. This is why you're the fan favorite. This, right here, this is why we love you, Frankie. Very, very much. This is why you are my favorite character in this anime. I want to give her the goblet, make it look like she's drinking out of it. Frankie with her royal cup. No, wait, don't eat the cup. There's nothing in this thing, by the way. There's nothing. Does it taste good? Frankie, does the cup taste good? Yes, it does? Cool. I want to get a perfectly cut bite for this transition. Watch. You guys may remember several weeks ago, well, it was only like 3 weeks ago, we made the cardboard van. How does Frankie react to said cardboard van? Oh, wow. Okay, we might not be able to show that. How about the thing I made literally 48 hours later? A cardboard double-decker bus. Do you like this one as much? She's trying to bite the bus. Frankie, what do you have against British people? Well, you got some explaining to do. Frankie, what are you thinking about at this particular moment in time? That's a good thing to think about. Thomas, what happened to you today?
Hi.
Wait, did you lose something near and dear to you?
Oh, dang it. Stop talking about T Jr.
Michaela, what stage of grief is Thomas in? Depression? Rebecca, as a concerned friend of Thomas's, probably, what stage of grief do you think Thomas is going through? Do you think maybe it's denial because he's denying the fact that whatever his name is really gone?
No.
Grief? You think it's grief? I agree. Thomas? Oh, okay. So we do a double take on reality there. Thomas, don't need to give up. Why are you doing? What? So, Michaela, I think it's safe to say that he's going through the anger phase now, losing his dear friend J Jr. Jimmy.
G Jr. Oh my God!
Him too.
Stop disgracing him. Oh.
Yes, Thomas, milk those tears for the camera. I need the views. All 9 subscribers are paying good money to see this. Alright, so Thomas, we're playing this game to honor the memory of G.I. Joe, right?
Yes.
That was his name?
No, it's G Jr.
G Jr., right, same difference. So we're going to play this game to honor the memory of G
Sandwich
Jr.
cat.
Wow, look at that. Michaela, how do you feel about it? I think this is acceptance, right? You would say so?
Psychology cat. Psychiatrist cat. Fort cat. Space cat. Fire cat.
Just so everyone knows, this is what we're dealing with. Oh my God! Show this card immediately. He just blew up the ship. He blew up. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, 3 of the same cards.
So these are my cards.
Yes.
You don't get to see them. These are mine.
Yeah.
They're concealed.
All right. Everybody,
Also working
let's
on the
play.
animation.
Boom.
Okay.
All right. Who's go? Oh yeah, the deck is here. Who's gonna go first?
Me, what do I do?
If you pick this card, it's the end of your turn.
Then you have to. Then you have to.
This is the end of my turn, so I got that.
So then you always have 5 in
Is
your
it
hand.
exploding kittens? Is it exploding kittens?
No.
Then you're fine.
Okay.
All right.
But if it's an exploding cat, do I die?
You have to use defuse.
Gotcha.
No. You can ask me.
No, this is genuinely terrifying. What is that?
Oh, that's Crapping Lincoln.
Oh.
Oh, Abraham Lincoln.
Abercrab Lincoln.
Oh, dang it. I like Abraham Lincoln.
He's creepy looking.
It's Abraham Lincoln.
So do I just shuffle this pile then?
If you put that, no, if you put down that
Your
card.
turn.
If you put down that card.
Michaela's turn now.
Okay, let's try that again. I'm gonna grab a card now. What the?
Josiah, have fun Snickers. You're not
It's powerless
yourself
and
when
on
you're
its
hungry.
own. Like, okay.
Maybe I need Snickers.